everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a pumpkin cake, okay? So, what you do first is you get this pumpkin spice pudding, pumpkin patch cake mix, okay? I'm gonna dump it in a cereal bowl. This is how easy it is. And you know, all these cakes, all you gotta do is add egg whites and Greek yogurt, or eggs and cream, or if you're dairy-free, egg whites or eggs and almond milk, whatever. They're very versatile. So what I'm gonna do with this one is I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup egg whites, 1/3 cup of pumpkin, 2 tablespoons sweetie, and 1/2 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, okay? This is pure pumpkin. Make sure you get pure pumpkin and don't get the stuff with all the sugar in it. And we will be right back. Okay guys, this is what it looks like when you're done, and it's delicious, and it's a delicious pumpkin cake. So if you're craving, I would say this is like in between a pumpkin spice pudding cake and a pumpkin pie. See the texture? That's what's so good about it. And you can even put some, cream cheese frosting on it if you want. You could put some whipped cream. Honestly, it sounds like it'd be really good with both of those. You could even add almonds or walnuts to it, whatever you want. Okay guys, come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. We have classes on Tuesday at 3 here where you get free samples and learn how to do all kinds of different stuff. You can ask away all kind of questions. And just so you know, everything is Healthy Treats Market. So if you go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com, you can see our website. You can see the recipe book. You can order online. And we're also on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you name it, we're there. Healthy Treats Market. Thanks for watching. God bless you.